Ducati has unveiled the new 2022 Multistrada V2 adventure motorcycle globally. It is the first model to be introduced by the brand for the year 2022, and the bike will be available in more features-packed S variant as well. It is essentially the updated version of the Multistrada 950, which has been renamed as the Multistrada V2. The new motorcycle comes with an updated engine, a few cosmetic changes, and Ducati says it is lighter and more accessible than the 950 as well. The new Multistrada V2 is powered by a 937cc L-twin Testosterone motor, which is liquid-cooled and delivers 111 bhp at 9000 rpm and 96 Nm of peak torque at 7750 rpm. The Ducati Multistrada V2 is likely to be launched in India next year. Ola Electric has announced raising more than $200 million, which is about 1,486 crore rupees, in the latest round of funding led by Falcon Edge, SoftBank and other investors. The company has received a valuation of $3 billion or over 22,281 crores. Ola says that it will accelerate the development of other vehicle platforms including electric motorbike, mass market scooter and its electric car. Ola Electric is pleased with the fact that the latest round of funding has arrived at a time when the company has already sold electric scooters worth 1100 crore rupees during the first purchase window. Ola says that the new round of funding will further strengthen its mission electric, under which the company wants to ensure that no petrol two-wheelers are sold in India after 2025. Mercedes-Benz India will launch the locally assembled S-Class in the country next week on October 7, 2021. The luxury car maker says that it is seeing overwhelming demand for the S-Class sedan and has decided to advance its local assembly schedule. The new generation S-Class was launched in India in June 2021, and up until now it was sold as a completely built unit. The CBU version of the S-Class is priced between 2 crore 17 lakh rupees and 2 crore 19 lakh rupees ex-showroom. However, with the introduction of the locally assembled model, the car is expected to receive a decent price cut. Both visually as well as mechanically, the locally made S-Class will remain unchanged. Right now the car comes with a 3-litre petrol and a 3-litre diesel engine, both mated to a 9-speed automatic gearbox as standard.
We simply love hearing from you. So your comments and feedback are important. Subscribe to our channel, react to this video, and of course, watch our other videos too.